some tips for you guys. When you're shopping for your outdoor pillows, for your outdoor living space, make sure that it is something that you want to put on the inside of your house. So if you see right here on my own sofa inside of my own house, I have my pillow that I would put inside of my indoor living space. I would absolutely take this outside and put it in my outdoor living space. Of course, if I'm going to put it outside and it's for an indoor space, I would make sure to treat it with the outdoor water repellent spray or the wash that I always provide. I'll put those links below so you guys can see the products I'm talking about. But if you walk down the aisle and you see these, and this is not what would happen inside of your house, if you don't have a flamingo party happening inside of your house, or you don't have a Hawaiian floral theme happening inside your house, do not buy this. Do not buy it. If this style does not fit inside your house, it also does not fit outside. So make sure that your eye is searching for things that are a little more durable or something that you can make more durable for your outdoor space, but you would happily put inside of your home that would complement your indoor decor as well.